there, food lovers! Welcome back to another episode of Delicious and Easy Recipes. Today, we're whipping up a super simple, crazy delicious snack peanut butter and banana bites. This is a classic combo that never fails to satisfy. You only need 3 ingredients. We're talking bananas, creamy peanut butter, and if you're feeling fancy, some chocolate or chia seeds. These ingredients are not only tasty, but also packed with nutrients. The chia seeds add a nice crunch and are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, while the chocolate gives it a sweet touch that makes it feel like a treat. Get ready for a healthy treat that's perfect any time of day. Whether you're looking for a quick breakfast, a midday snack, or a post-dinner dessert, these bites have got you covered. This recipe is so easy you can get the kids involved. It's a great way to teach them about healthy eating while having fun in the kitchen. It's a fun activity for a rainy day or a quick snack before soccer practice. Plus, it's a great way to keep them occupied and engaged. And the best part? It's packed with nutrients to keep those energy levels high. Bananas are rich in potassium, which is great for muscle function, and peanut butter is a fantastic source of protein. Grab your ingredients and let's make some yummy bites. Start by slicing the bananas into bite-sized pieces. Then, spread a generous amount of peanut butter on each slice. You can thank me later. Once you've got your banana slices ready, sprinkle some chia seeds or drizzle a bit of chocolate on top. And there you have it, a delicious and nutritious snack that's ready in minutes. Enjoy! First things first, let's talk bananas. Pick bananas that are ripe with just a hint of brown spots. This means they're at peak sweetness. Now peel those bananas and slice them into rounds. Aim for about ½ an inch thick, perfect for little bites. See? Easy peasy. We're already halfway there, and my taste buds are already doing a happy dance. Now on to the star of the show, peanut butter. Grab your favorite jar of peanut butter, crunchy or smooth. The choice is entirely yours. Peanut butter is such a versatile ingredient, and it can really change the texture and flavor of your snack. Whether you prefer the creamy, smooth texture that melts in your mouth, or the delightful crunch that adds an extra layer of excitement, both options are fantastic. It's your call. I personally love the little crunch, but go with what makes your heart sing. The crunchiness adds a bit of surprise in every bite, making it more enjoyable. But if you're someone who loves a silky, smooth experience, the creamy version is just as delightful. Now take a spoonful of that creamy goodness and spread it on one of your banana slices. Make sure to get a generous amount on your spoon. The combination of peanut butter and banana is a classic for a reason. The sweetness of the banana pairs perfectly with the rich, nutty flavor of the peanut butter. Don't be shy. We want a nice, even layer of peanut butter. This ensures that every bite is packed with flavor. Spread it smoothly and evenly, covering the entire surface of the banana slice. This step is crucial because it acts as the glue that holds our little bites together. This is what holds our little bites together. The peanut butter not only adds flavor, but also helps in keeping the banana slices intact. It's the perfect binder for our snack. Plus, more peanut butter equals more flavor. Who doesn't love that? The more you add, the richer and more satisfying each bite will be. So go ahead, be generous with your peanut butter. After all, it's the star of this delicious snack. Section 4, to top or not to top. Okay, we've got our peanut butter covered banana slice. This is a great start, but the fun is just beginning. Now we can either top it with another banana slice to make a simple yet delicious sandwich, or we can get fancy with some toppings. The choice is yours and the possibilities are endless. This is where you can really let your creativity shine. Think of your banana slice as a blank canvas. A drizzle of melted chocolate is always a winner in my book. It adds a touch of sweetness and a bit of decadence. But if you're looking for a healthier option, sprinkle on some chia seeds. They not only add a nice crunch, but also a boost of omega-3s. Chia seeds are tiny but mighty, packed with nutrients that are great for your health. Feel free to experiment with other toppings too. Chopped nuts add a satisfying crunch and a dose of protein. Shredded coconut can give your snack a tropical twist. You can also try dried fruits like cranberries or raisins for a chewy texture and natural sweetness. Seeds like pumpkin or sunflower seeds can add an extra layer of flavor and nutrition. And don't forget about spices. A sprinkle of cinnamon or nutmeg can elevate the flavor profile of your snack, making it even more delightful. The sky's the limit when it comes to toppings. Mix and match to find your perfect combination. Whether you go simple or extravagant, your snack is sure to be delicious. So to top or not to top? The answer is entirely up to you. Enjoy your creation. Section 5. Ready, set, snack. And there you have it, your very own peanut butter and banana bites, ready to be devoured. Pop them in your mouth for an instant energy boost, or pack them in a container for a grab-and-go snack. These bites are perfect for after a workout, a quick breakfast on the run, or a healthy treat for your little ones. And the best part? No baking required. Section 6. Get creative and share. So what are you waiting for? Grab those bananas and get snacking. And don't forget to tell me all about your favorite topping combinations in the comments below. I'm always up for trying something new. Happy snacking!